The square-cut diamond is a timeless and versatile shape, defined by its clean, symmetrical lines and perfectly equal sides. Its elegant geometry offers a classic yet modern appeal, making it a popular choice for engagement rings and fine jewelry. The cut often includes step-cut faceting, which enhances the diamond's clarity and creates a sophisticated, understated brilliance. Unlike more intricate cuts, the square cut focuses on highlighting the diamond's natural beauty and structure. Its facets are designed to emphasize clarity over sparkle, giving it a sleek and refined look. This makes it especially suited for those who appreciate minimalism and elegance in their jewelry. The square cut diamond is also highly adaptable, complementing both vintage inspired and contemporary designs. Its balanced proportions exude a sense of harmony, making it a standout choice for individuals who value both tradition and style. With its distinctive geometry and understated charm, the square cut remains a classic option for creating meaningful, timeless pieces. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.